लेफ्ट में सर, द लेफ्ट।
सर यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में,
लेफ्ट में, लेफ्ट, द लेफ्ट,
लेफ्ट 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 लेफ्ट। सर लेफ्ट में,
बस सर फर्स्ट भाग यहाँ पे
सर फर्स्ट भाग लेफ्ट में।
सर फर्स्ट भाग। गार्ड लगाओ।
फॉरवर्ड पे जा। यहाँ पे
लगा वाट नहीं लगाना, वाट नहीं लगा, झाड़ लगा।
का झाड़ लगा।
वाट नहीं लगा, चपाट नहीं लगा।
करण सर यहाँ पे। करण सर यहाँ पे।
पहाड़ पे चलने का
सर थोड़ा ये साइड
एक बजे नहीं अपने को
इधर देखिए, राइट।
लाइट खोलो भाई।
सर राइट में आपके राइट में। राइट सर, राइट आ गया। सर राइट साइड नहीं है, राइट सर। सर लुक गया।
ये हिला मत रे।
या वेट
जकी दादा आ जाओ। अब आपको वीडियो क्लोज प्लीज। नो
क्या बात है?
वाह क्या टाइमिंग, वाह टाइमिंग है, वाह।
गणेश जी कब से वेट कर रहे थे?
सेंटर प्लीज। कौन है?
Ready?
रेडी, क्लोज प्लीज।
Look center. Come close and look center.
दादा चलो हो गया हाँ
Thank you.
ओनली कास्ट
हाँ?
बहुत आगे लेवल है दादा का लेते दादा
Thank you. Thank you.
अरे अनुपम जैसा
Look here together.
हाँ कल ले लेंगे। अनुपम भी आप आएंगे।
मॅडम इकडे
राईटला मॅडम. पल्लवी मॅडम इकडे राईटला. थँक्यू. चल मॅम चलो.
अरे कितने लगेगा बस हो गया
Colleague center.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अरे भाई मारेंगे अनुपम जी
This brilliant actor on stage, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Anupam Kher. The master is here, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir.
I was saying to somebody outside, I think Karan, that I'm from theatre, I'm from stage. And before every performance, my heart is beating so hard, my mouth is getting dry, and that's what I'm feeling right now. And I'm also overwhelmed. I'm moved by the love that I've got in the last so many years. But Tanvi the Great is very special. Tanvi the Great is, Tanvi is my niece, and she's great, and that's how I got the idea of making this film. My writers, Abhishek and Ankur, we sat together. Baman was our help. I'm sorry that Baman is not here, Ian Glenn is not here, and Arvind is not here, and Nasser Saab, they're all abroad. So this journey started about 3.5 years back, and Andy, I'm so happy to see you, our colorist. So many people. Anilji, thank you so much. बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. भावना, थैंक यू. भावना और कोमल सुपरस्टार थे, सबसे एंड में आए, आपके लिए वेट कर रहे थे. अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था, but thank you, you are here, your friends, you've been with us. So I don't know, you ask me a question, I'll answer that, because there are too many things and we have so many things to show today. I will be able to be brief if you ask me a question.
Somewhere or the other, you know, you've answered the question by saying कि stage पे चढ़ने से पहले वो theatre background है, because see, every time we've done this, I don't know how many times.
Yes.
Every time you're like super calm, super cool. आज थोड़ा सा कुछ.
Because आज 2-3 responsibilities हैं. एक, I'm a director of the film.
Yes.
It took me 23 years to make a film, because 23 years back when I made Om Jai Jagdish, it was not my story. And I was very excited that Vashuji had given me a film to direct, and now from an actor I've become a director. And then I thought one day I will make a film if it is from my heart. So 4 years back, I was in Gurgaon attending my brother Raju's daughter's Vrinda's wedding, and everybody was dancing, having fun. And my 13-year-old niece at that time, now she's 17, Tanvi, who is autistic, she was standing on a corner and looking at the mountains. So I asked her, Tanvi, what are you looking at? She said, I'm looking at my world. And that statement shook me a little, because she could not describe what her world is. and I could not understand what her world is. And that gave the seed to the film. And I wanted to do it in a musical manner. I wanted it to be larger than life. I wanted to have it epic quality. And I was very fortunate that I'm a great admirer of Kiravani sir, M.M. Karim sir. And I called him up because I wanted only him. In this film, I have only wanted people, I've always and only got them. So and he was traveling to some place, and he said, okay, sunaiye, sunaiye. So I think I must have mentioned about 7 or 8 minutes, and he said, I'm doing the film. And just 2 days back, he had got an Oscar. We are so fortunate, we have 2 Oscar winners here. That's in itself is the richness. Then when I recorded the songs, Jackie once came home and I played the songs with him, and he said, wow, and both of us had moved togetherness, and Jackie became part of the film, and then Baman, and then of course, Arvind Swamy, and I wanted Ian Glenn to play a role, and Karan I requested, I said, I want you. So I must say that all my actors, all major actors, because there was an incident that happened because my financier pulled out of the project 1 month before the film was to go on floor. And they said, जब पैसे होंगे दे देना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? And that really, really is so good for a director, producer who is just trying to sort of tell a story which is very personal to me. Yes. Because this project is not that I wanted to make a film. And then, of course, Mr. Thadani came and saw the film. And he called me at 1:30 in the night. He said few things which I don't. He is now, after he's said that he's taking the film, now he's very reserved. Because he's like that principal जो student को बोलता है ऐसे ऐसे करना है, यहाँ से इधर करना है, यहाँ से इधर करना है, which is very thankful because thanks to him the film is looking the way it is. Yes. And then of course now we have Excel Entertainment, and I'm so thrilled that Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidwani are part of it. And then Mr. Rasool Pokoti means the magician of sound. The difficult task was to cast Tanvi. And anyway, we have revealed that. For that, Kausar Munir has written some unbelievable songs. And one thing I must say that when we were having the New York premiere, so you asked me outside, why did you start from abroad?
Yeah, why not in India?
So I feel it's a film from India for the world. It's a universal subject, and autism. And I didn't want to show autism as a disability. I wanted to show autism as superpower. And that's what comes across. And my whole team of assistants, my music का बारे में बता दिया मैंने. There are 2 girls who are doing the debut for the first time. They have sung playback singing. Kruti is here, the choreographer, the legendary, she's young legend, not legendary abhi bulane mein time hai, but she always makes me feel that she's legendary. And Bright के हमारे दोस्त हैं. Thank you so much sir. आपके बगैर तो पोस्टर ही नहीं लगते हैं. ये वाला हमने जैसे तैसे लगवा दिया. अब आप लगाएंगे तो और भी अच्छा होगा. Yeah.
So that's all about it, sir. Trailer देखेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले.
So I thought, Kiravani sir, thank you very much for coming under the circumstances that you have come here. I really am deeply moved by you. Was supposed to come yesterday morning because of some issue of your family. Father is not well, sir, and you still came. That shows your commitment to work and your friendship with me. I think Kiravani sir's father is very, very, very unwell, but he came. So I would like to invite the musical team. ये हमारे जो गाने हैं, they are going to sing live. I thought it will be because trailer में music गाने नहीं हैं. And thank you Z for taking our music. And I wanted 2 new voices for Tanvi's. I said we must have something believable in terms of, because वरना लगता गाना सुनते आपको लगता है ये उसने गाया, which is brilliant, which is fantastic. But I thought let's sort of use. So sir ने जब हम rehearsal कर रहे थे, by the way, we did the music of the film 1 year before we started shooting. I knew this is how I want. And he made me listen to 2 tracks by 2 young ladies. And he said, अब किससे गवाना है? मैंने कहा, इन्हीं से गवाना है. And because if you like something, and I run an acting school where I think I'm supposed to give chances to new people. And someday, 40 years back, Mahesh Bhatt and Rashri gave me a chance. And I'm standing here because of that chance. So, Gomti Iyer, and come. या मुझे सब पता है आपके बारे में, ऊपर आके बताते हैं. Gomti, thank you very much. Shagun. Shagun is a very dear friend's daughter, Mr. Sodi, who used to do background score for all the Neeraj Pandey films and so many other films. They have sung, and we have Gemini sir. Gemini sir, where is? Oh, there he is. Mr. Gemini sir is with, and Bharat, who is fondly called Pondi because he comes from Pondicherry. So Kareem sir has given him name Pondi. So Pondi, Bharat, please come. And then one and only, the world's most favorite, my most favorite music director. He's an institution. Knowing him in the last 3 years have been one of the richest experiences of my life. Not only from the music point of view, I think he is the most unbelievable storyteller, and also as a richness of heart. He's very funny, and he is a magician of music. Mr. M.M. Kiravani sir, thank you. We also, among us, also have the presence of, the film has a background of army, and a friend of mine who is General Pushkar. He's here as a friend, but thank you, sir. General Saab, we acknowledge your presence. Ashok, you're always there. Raj has sung a song. Ashok's son, he sung a song. And sir, what should we do?
Let the music do the talking. So, ladies and gentlemen, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं सबके लिए यहाँ पे, of course.
So we are not using any track, etc. I know that you people are recording it, but just anyway, I think let's do it. The film is a musical.
Check.
Good morning, everyone. This particular music you must have heard more than 1,000 times in the lobby and in the theater, like Lakshmi Sahasranamam. But still, I wanted to present it from the original singer, Gomati, and thank you very much for that. Before presenting a few songs from Tanvi the Great live with the original singers here, I just want to share my personal feelings with you. My friend Neeraj Pandey a few years back asked me to just quickly pick my most favorite song from the thousands of the songs I have in my library. I'm sure everybody of you will be having thousands of in your own libraries too. But it's very difficult for most of you to pick just one song from the thousands of the songs. At least 100 favorite songs will pop up in your mind. But I quickly managed to just mention about one song to him, and he was surprised and happy too. I just want to present that song to you now in reference with my life and my current status of my life. I attended a session, recording session in 1990, exactly 35 years back, in Mehboob studio, where Lakshmiji and Pyaraji were recording for a Telugu song. I was there attending the session as an assistant for the Telugu director, Mr. Kranti Kumar. I was there to sing the track along with Kavita Krishnamurthy. So it was a 100-piece orchestra, I think even more. Lots of string section, tabalas and percussions, many of them stalwart musicians. And Pyaraji on his piano and with long book, each 16 bars he was swiping the pages. And it was very wonderful to watch this session. And ever since, in 1990, I had a chance, my first chance to compose music for movies. I had the privilege to record my own songs with the same, almost same body of orchestra. At least every day 50 musicians, 50 to 60 of musicians we used to assemble in theaters, very huge theaters. Chennai was my hometown for more than 20 years. In Chennai, I used to record, and slowly, things have changed. Now we record songs remotely. Somebody is singing from somewhere, and some violinist is playing from somewhere. Everybody is disorientedly, they just participate, not knowing what is happening in a larger scale. So that's how we produce mechanically. Of course, we still do good music. People do good music, but the process of producing music has become very mechanical and very non-emotional, by which my contemporary musicians have died, many of them, and Chennai city is not the same anymore. So my most favorite city, Chennai, I don't visit there anymore frequently, because it gives me pain to see the change. Of course, change has to be invited and embraced by new generations. Change is always good. But for people like me who are fond of old memories, and we cannot accept the change so easily. My father is not well now. He's 93, of course. Eventuality is inevitable. But he made Mumbai his hometown. He ran away from his village and he came here to join JJ School of Arts, and he got diploma and he made this hometown. He knows how Sun and Sand looked that way, how celebrities visited Sun and Sand Hotel, Juhu Beach, everything. His mind is full of Bombay. And yesterday I boarded my flight in the morning, but I received a call from the hospital. So I was about to come to Bombay, but one Bombayite was calling me. That's my father. So I came, went back home, and took the necessary decisions and actions to do that I needed. And again, I visited yesterday night. That's a different story. Now, I used to write letters to my sister who is abroad, and I don't write letters anymore because of the WhatsApp and all. So this is an unending list. The things have changed a lot. So I carry lots of bitter thoughts in my head all the time, no matter what, where I'm recording or going on a holiday, but my mind is always full of sadness. So let me present this song to you. You may wonder what this song has got to do with Tanvi the Great. I will explain. But let me present this song, composed by S.T. Burman the Great, written by Kaifi Azmi the Great, sung by Muhammad Rafi the Great, on the eve of the trailer release function of Tanvi the Great. देखी ज़माने की यारी बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी, अरे देखिए जमाने की यारी, बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी, बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी, क्या लेके मिले अब दुनिया से आंसू के सिवा कुछ पास नहीं, या फूल ही फूल थे दामन में या कांटों की। Thank you very much. It is strange, it's an irony, rather it's very sad to have this particular song as my most favorite song, because it leaves me in depression. But now coming to the point, God has given me a second life by introducing the great Anupam Ji into my life. He must have played thousands of roles on screen, but right now he's playing the role of a friend, a mentor, an elder brother, and a guru, and whatnot. He's a buddy. So he made me forget about what all I'm missing in my life. He's teaching me how to live life and celebrate every moment. That's how now I'm not sad anymore for losing all my contemporaries, musicians, and friends and family members, and so many other things I knew because I was a 1961 born. So he says, enjoy and celebrate your life. That's what my relation with Anupam Ji, and Anupam Ji made me compose music for this movie, Tanvi the Great, and I think this is just the beginning. I'm looking forward to many more years and movies and projects and moments that we are going to celebrate together. And now, for now, I want to present 2 or 3 songs which these young ladies are going to sing. Shagun, bring me out of this, what melancholy. What are you going to sing? Sing some bright song.
Done, sir.
Goodbye to all memories. Yeah, say
Yes.
goodbye to all memories.
Goodbye to all memories.
Yes. What do you want to sing? Goodbye. Okay. Go. एक
दो एक सांसों को गिनूं, एक दो एक आगे मैं बढ़ूं, here I go, go, oh. एक दो एक सौ राहें चुनूं, एक दो एक पीछे ना मुड़ूं, here I go, go, oh, oh. देखो बिन मेरे बुलाए याद आना नहीं, कभी बिन मुझे बताए भूल जाना नहीं, कि चलते जाए ये दिलों का वाईफाई. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Antara? Is there an antara?
आइए साथ में.
There are 2 antaras, no?
Yes.
Sing one antara.
Second one I'll sing.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
अच्छी बातें बोले सच में लगेगी ये. Okay, we'll begin again. Ready?
Come on.
2, 3, 4. अच्छी 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 बातें बातें सोचो सोचो लवली लगेगी ये दुनिया. सच्ची सच्ची बातें बोलो सच में सुनेगी दुनिया. देखो कभी जो तितली तो याद करोगी तन्वी को. चाहो तो मिल जाओ छू लो तो उड़ जाओ ले चले जाओ मन. मैं तो चल दूं कि मैं हूँ just like a little butterfly. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. So we bid
Kausar ji.
goodbye.
Kausar ji, thank you very much for these wonderful lines.
Yes.
Where are you? Kausar, thank you very much. What else you want to sing? Sena?
Sena.
Yeah.
Sena.
What is the scale? E, no? E. Huh? Is it high?
B flat. Or A.
B flat? Okay. Go.
Okay, when I'm singing the hook, it's Sena ki jai jai ho jaye. Maybe you all can join, you know, because we all can cheer together. आगे बढ़, पीछे मुड़, घूम जा, very good. Left, right, दाएं, बाएं. Come on. 3, 4. सेना की जय जय हो जाए. मेरी सेना की जय जय हो जाए. सेना की जय जय हो जाए. मेरी सेना की जय जय हो जाए. ना 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 ना.
Na 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 na.
Na 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 na. सावधान विश्राम कर परेड दे सलाम. 1 2 1 2 एक तू अनेक तू होकर तू अपनों से दूर. बचपन का घर छोड़ के हंसते हुए चल दिया. वादे सभी तोड़ के एक ही बसली कसम देश पर मिटेंगे हम. जब तलक है दम में दम ना रुकेंगे ये कदम. शूरवीर हो विजय. Come on. सेना की लाउडर हो जाए. मेरी सेना की जय जय हो जाए. सेना की जय जय हो जाए. मेरी सेना की जय जय हो जाए.
Wait. I think there is a line. Tanvi ki jai jai.
हो
Is that?
जाए. अपनी तन्वी की जय जय हो जाए.
Are you saying it for mazak ke liye, or is it really there in that line in the movie?
We will know. Yeah, we'll know on 18th July. We all will know that.
You have become a successful anchor. Where is the anchor here? देखिए आपके लिए एक कंटेंडर आए. Gomati, it's your turn now.
Check, yeah.
What's your scale? In the movie, Bamanji is the guru and Subhangi is the student. Yeah, you want me to play the guru role or a student role?
Guru sir.
Guru.
Yes.
Okay, as you wish. Let's do D major. D, no? D is fine? C. Okay. मन चला मनवा तेरी ना माने रे. Sing.
मन चला मनवा तेरी ना मान रे.
मन चला मनवा अपने ही जान रे,
मन चला मनवा अपनी ही जान रे,
कल की ये धूप से न डरे, आज की छाँव में ये पले,
कल की धूप से न डरे, आज की छाँव में पले,
मन चला मनवा तेरी ना मान रे। अंतरा गाओ।
up in the sky so very high, और पंछी how do you fly, कहाँ मिले पंख तुझे, ले जा मुझे संग तेरे, yellow and blue how do you do, रंगों के राज कैसे सुनूं, हेलो माय फ्रेंड है ये दी एंड या हुई है ये स्टोरी शुरू,
Yellow and blue. It's singing about me or what? Okay. Anyway. रंग भरे पंख तेरे ख्वाब मेरे लेके उड़े, नैना तेरे है आईने मेरे, खुद को फिर से दिखने लगे, तूने कहा मैंने सुना, तेरे सुरों में गाने लगा, तेरी हंसी दिल में बसी, मैं भी यूं ही मुस्काने लगा,
मन चला मनवा
अपनी ही जान रे, मन चला मनवा तेरी ही
मान रे, कल की धूप से न डरे,
आज की छाँव में ये पले, मन चला मनवा। Thank you very much. Anupam ji, thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए एंड ऑफ कोर्स गोमती थैंक यू सो मच, शगुन थैंक यू सो मच, जमिनी
Thank
सर
you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड यस बिफोर वी प्ले द ट्रेलर मैं अनुपम सर से गुजारिश करूंगा सर इसको टॉप कर पाना या कुछ बोल पाना ना बड़ा डिफिकल्ट है मेरे लिए, आई वुड वांट यू टू टेक द स्टेज प्लीज एंड कुछ शेयर करें सर अब।
आपने ना मुझे हमेशा रुलाया है करीम सर। हमने करीम सर ने बोला जो एक साल, रितेश आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट यू केम, थैंक यू सो मच। हमने बहुत मुस्कुराहटें बांटी हैं इस एक साल में और बहुत आंसू भी बहाए हैं, और आज आपने फिर मुझे इमोशनल कर दिया। You will wonder ki why are the words Savdhan, Vishram, Kar Parade, but that's how an autistic mind thinks. That is how. I have my friend's son here, Adi. Adi, stand up and say hi to everybody. Hi. Yes. Adi is my late friend's. Adi is also a great singer. Adi, come. You want to come on stage? Yeah, Adi is coming. So Adi's mom. Adi, you like the song? The one, this song? You like the song? The one the sir sang just now? Yeah, come up. Yeah, it's necessary. Samsung, it's of course. Yes.
Give it up for Adi, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Pallavi ji.
हेलो क्या बोलो हाँ yes this is Adi here. Nowadays I don't watch soap opera TV serials because those are very, it affects my brains and eyes. It's a waste of time. I don't want to watch TV serials. Yeah, TV serial like Colors, Star Plus, ZTV, Sony Television. Those are very bad serial. Sarawa serial, rotten. Yes, yes.
Only a person like him can say something like this.
Yes,
Because
yes.
an autistic mind
I only
does not
listen to
understand
music.
manipulation.
I watch a good movies. Listen to good movies. I'm the big fan of Hrithik Roshan in Koi Mil Gaya Kaun Na Pyare Hai. I saw the last
Okay,
to
now you
last
have
year.
to tell me the names of my characters of various
Okay,
films.
I'll tell you afterwards. After some time. Last year I saw Koi Mil Gaya re-release. Then I saw Koi Mil Gaya. Then I saw Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein. Then I saw Kal Ho Na Ho and Kaho Na Pyar Hai. Anupam Uncle and Rajesh Ichi appear both Kaho Na Pyar Hai and Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein.
What was my name in Dil?
Hazari Prasad.
And Shola or Shabnam?
Major I am Lathi, Jal the Tap, Krishna Kant, Ulf Captain Rashid, R.K. Sharma. हेलो मैं आज के बाद मैं टीवी सीरियल्स नहीं देखता हूँ आई डोंट वॉच टीवी सीरियल्स सोप ऑपेरा ऑन मोबाइल टीवी कंप्यूटर इट अफेक्ट्स ब्रेन सावधान इंडिया दोस आर वेरी वायलेंट सॉरी
Okay, thank you. Before we go into another, but I'm very happy you have.
राम मेहरा कैरेक्टर वेक अप सिट
What was my name in Wake Up Sid?
राम मेहरा
Ram Mehra.
राम मेहरा
Yes.
एंड यूर कैरेक्टर इन राजनाथ सिंघानिया रंग दे बसंती
Wow.
चुप चुप के
What was in Chup Chup Ke?
चुप चुप के जयवेद प्रसाद
Wow.
दिल में फिर से बोल रहा हूँ हजारी प्रसाद और अब इसमें था उमर नरेटर में किया था उमर अब मोहम्मद में था 10 कहानियां दे ताली में था जिमी शेरगिल के साथ
Thank you. So, Adi is my very dear friend Sujata's son. Sujata
Yeah.
and we were from struggling
Yes.
days. And Sujata is no more, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But that's okay. And घूमने नहीं जाना है बाहर. दूसरे घर नहीं जाना है.
दूसरे के घर मैं दूसरे के घर नहीं जाता हूँ ओशिवारा टारापो टावर्स आई डोंट गो टू एनीवन्स हाउस इन टारापो टावर्स ओशिवारा बिकॉज now I'm not a small kid I'm not a small बच्चा I'm a grown up person I should that is why I should not go दूसरे के घर नहीं जाऊंगा ओशिवारा टारापो टावर्स मीरा टावर्स ओशिवारा अपने खुद के घर पे रहने का खुद का घर द पार्क लग्जरी रेसिडेंसी yes हाँ
Okay, बेटा. Thank you.
थैंक यू
I love you.
लव यू
हाँ?
बाद में गाना गाऊं ना
अभी गा लो.
हाँ
अभी गा लो. ये बड़ा अच्छा गाते हैं.
हम्म
चलो कौन सा गाओगे?
कोई कितना करोगे ब्लूटूथ नहीं ब्लूटूथ विद ब्लूटूथ यस
बिना उसके नहीं गा सकते.
नहीं मेरा
अच्छा, sorry. So my niece Tanvi is exactly like him.
yeah
Adi, which song do you want to sing?
I mean sing you understood it's very important I'm decided that time is very precious for me and everyone life is very precious life is a very big gift time is precious good na life should always be good very good yes हाँ वो देखने में अली जफर करोगे
Come here on the same mentor. बिना म्यूजिक के नहीं गाओगे?
नहीं
Okay.
अनुपम जी थोड़ा फिर से गले लगा लो
अच्छा.
I love you
I love you, my darling.
love you
So when Sujata, my friend, when she was in the hospital, just about 45 minutes before she passed away, she made a FaceTime call with me. I'll never forget that. And she said, Anupam, I think I'm going, but Adi का ख्याल रखना. तो आदि मुझे रात को सुबह दिन कभी भी फोन करता है मैं उठाता हूँ ना. Okay, thank you. So I think it's very important. Now you'll understand the meaning of Tanvi the Great. How he is great. Okay.
I saw सितारे ज़मीं पर
Very good.
दंगल रंग दे बसंती सितारे ज़मीं पर आमिर खान
वापस आइए। रितेश सिद्धवानी साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां ऑफ कोर्स।
Ritesh has to go, and he had something important to go. But I said, your support has to be. How are you? Oh, he said that I will come, and certainly thank you for your support. Thank you for excellent entertainments, amazing support. आप भी आ जाओ अनिल, ताकि we. Come on. Anil hates to come on stage, but these are the, you see, to make a film like this is very difficult. But then when you get people like Anil and Ritesh and Farhan and excellent entertainment, at least you know that after seeing the film, they have decided to take it to the world. Thank you for doing that.
Thank you, actually. We're a little late to this party, but it's an amazing, amazing film. And I think, in sometimes, when they say that a film comes and chooses you, I think this is exactly that kind of a film. So I'm really glad. So in whatever way we can support it and contribute, but it's a really, really an amazing, amazing film. So I'm glad you chose us to be a part of it. Thank you so much. Really. And I mean, all of you guys have done a great job. Really.
ये दोनों बोलने से कतराते हैं, आप भी बोल के फिर निकल जाओ.
No, I'll be here till the end.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
But thank you for letting us be a part of your dream. We are really grateful for all this. And such talent here in this film, we are really honored to be a part of it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Yes.
So please. Ritesh sir, of course. Anil sir, please be here with us. Jackie Shroff साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां. I'd like to. I'll invite the cast on stage. Of course, we don't want to miss this moment. So please, Jackie Shroff साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां. The ever so handsome, the ever so amazing. Cream साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां. You know, जितना कहा जाए उतना कम है. So it's like, of course, we want you on this stage, sir. पल्लवी जी प्लीज आइए, प्लीज आइए. आपका आदि ने इतना अच्छा इंट्रो दे ही दिया है यहाँ पे. प्लीज आइए. करण टाकर, of course, ladies and gentlemen, the very handsome and of course हर एक किरदार में एक अलग लेवल से जान डाल देते हैं. And ladies and gentlemen, the star of the moment, मतलब she's teary eyed जब से वो यहाँ बैठी हैं. I don't know क्या क्या चल रहा है. Give it up for Tanvi the great Shubhangi, ladies and gentlemen. We'll do a quick picture with this team, and of course we'll be inviting the HODs and some very important people. To be here, sir. अब जाने नहीं देने वाला हूँ मैं किसी को. Cream साहब, please, we want you on this stage. Anupam sir, I'll start with you quickly. You know, एक चीज जो शायद कहीं ना कहीं miss हो गई, and that is something the world looks up to this gentleman. एक बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं, जैसा आपने कहा आप इंटरनेशनल लेके गए हमारी इस फिल्म को. एक बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं जो आपके बड़े करीबी हैं, रॉबर्ट डिनेरो साहब. उनके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए. He came to watch the movie Tanvi the Great.
So I had not thought that I will invite him, but I spoke to his wife, Tiffany, and I said, Tiffany, would you like to come? And 2 hours before the premiere of New York was to start, Tiffany called up. He says, Bob is coming with me. Bob, I know that Robert is called Bob. So I said, Mr. De Niro is coming himself. I said, oh God, sab chaos tha. And then he said he's coming only for 15 minutes. It was very strange to sit next to him, me, Mr. De Niro, his wife, she. तो मैं देख रहा था लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं ना कि मैं इनके साथ बैठा हूँ. वो फैन मोमेंट जाता नहीं है ना कभी कभी, बिकॉज मैंने ड्रामा स्कूल में उनके ऊपर उनकी फिल्मों पे पहली 2 फिल्मों पे मैंने वो किया है, रिसर्च किया है, मेन स्ट्रीट एंड टैक्सी ड्राइवर. So he kept looking at me. He said, "Nice, your hair is very good, big, etc." And then he loved the music.
He said, and he stayed back till the interval, which is a big thing for me. But also, when we went to Houston and other places, I think because the character is not treated like there is something wrong with her, she's treated really, because I genuinely believe people like Adi, my niece Tanvi, they are superpowers. Their ability to do certain things differently. Pallavi plays an autism expert in the film and also her mother. The film is about goodness. I genuinely had not planned Adi to come on stage. But I just suddenly thought of Sujata, and I thought, genuinely, I had not thought. Karan told me that was a good idea. I said, no, I had not, because you never know what he will say. And actually, he did not. You never know what he will say. So, but I think it gave you a glimpse of Tanvi's world. Today, unfortunately, goodness is only in people who do not understand manipulation. And that's what we need. I think we live in a world where we are constantly manipulating ourselves, other people. I think this film, with the help of Anil and Excel Entertainment and with everybody else. So my brief to my amazing HODs was, let's be good in this during the shooting of this film. And that's what we managed to do. And I'm so thankful to you, General Saab. जैसी trailer खत्म हुआ, आपने मेरे कान में बोला, fantastic. That really, really means a lot to me. You had an army, you're Lieutenant General in, these days posted in Ambala, and we know each other, but yeah, so क्या बोलूँ मैं अब आपको?
Amazing, sir. Thank you so much. ये सब share करने के लिए. Jagu Dada, I'll come to you. You know, सबसे इतना सारा प्यार मिलता है यहाँ पे when you work with someone who's really close to you, और फिर इस project पे जब आप आते हैं तो वो कैसा रहता है, पूरा माहौल क्या होने वाला हुआ, क्या हुआ, सब शुरू से अब तक बता दीजिए हमको.
कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ. आप सबको बहुत सादर प्रणाम, और अनुपम जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने मुझे इस फिल्म में कास्ट किया. पहली बार जब मुझे उन्होंने बुलाया और गाना सुनाया तो शायद वहाँ पे आंसुओं की नदियाँ बह रही थी दोनों की. पर हम लोग ज़्यादा रोते, मैं तो रोता हूँ मगर तकिए पे रोता हूँ, तो किसी के सामने रोता नहीं वैसे, मगर आपके सामने ज़रूर आंसू निकल गए. MM साहब, आपने बहुत खूबसूरत म्यूज़िक दिया है. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on this stage with such fantastic cast and crew. And Russell, there you are. सारे ऑस्कर के सामने सपाजू में बैठ के एक फ़ोटो भी लिया दोनों के बीच में. ये नहीं कि मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, मगर मेरा पौधा और आप दोनों का ऑस्कर बहुत भारी है. बाकी बोलने का कुछ नहीं. अनुपम जी ने बहुत प्यार से संभाला और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला भाई. कि एक्टिंग वैक्टिंग तो मैं कोई स्कूल से आया नहीं हूँ, मगर इनके साथ रहकर कई ऐसे छोटी छोटी बातें, ऐसे न्यूएंसेस जो इन्होंने बताया बिड़ू, मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था. कि मेरे को झाड़ के बारे में पूछेंगे तो मैं बता दूंगा, मगर एक्टिंग के बारे में अगर सीखना है तो अनुपम जी से सीखे. वो बहुत खूबसूरत एक्टर भी है, डायरेक्टर भी है, और ही इज़ अ मैन हु इज़ एब्सोल्युटली मेड अ brilliant film. It's soul cleansing, total soul cleansing, and I'm happy to be here. Thank you, Anupam ji.
Thank you so much, Jackie Shroff साहब के लिए तालियां. Of course, we'll quickly get the chairs now because I know आपके बड़े सारे सवाल हैं जो आप हमारे ये superstars से यहाँ पूछना चाहते हैं. So we'll get the chairs.
But after this, I would like my HODs to come on stage, and because they are bigger stars than we are over here. Yeah. Can we get these people on stage? I think
we'll do it after the media Q&A.
अच्छा.
We'll quickly do
because
that.
मुझे guilty महसूस होता है because बहुत इन्होंने काम
तो
किया.
हो जाए सर.
Rasool, please come on stage.
आपकी मर्जी सर. All yours.
Rod, please come on stage. Please come on stage. My writers, the most important people in this film are. We will stand behind them. Let them sit in the center over here.
Wow.
Let them sit because they are the. आइए ना. No. You have to come. आप Rod will not speak, but you sit in the center. आप हमसे ऊंचे लगोगे बैठने के बाद भी. हाँ. किसको? हाँ, of course, Kausar, you come and sit here. Sir, you sit here. Sir, I'm the director here also still. Writers मेरे दोनों यहाँ बैठेंगे. Kausar, please come. Raj, please come on stage. And the girls, ladies, please come. These are the actual stars of the film because the writers. That's why, in fact, when we were introducing our people, we first introduced anybody who have left. Please come on stage. But where is good girls who sang? Come on, Shagun, Gomti, Chali,
Pondi, come.
Pondi, Bharat, please come. आप बैठो ना नहीं आप बैठो ना प्लीज ये he is the shyest person and yet मतलब he's amazing. Come and sit here. Pondi, you have been doing some amazing work. Yes, अब आप हमसे डरो मत. कृति बैठ जाओ.
Okay.
कृति ने जो कोरियोग्राफी की है, you see इसमें आपको सब कुछ बोलने में मुझे स्ट्रेस होता है. Because I get superstitious कि I should not raise your expectations, but I think everybody has given a part of their heart to this film. That is what is the most important thing. Craft तो दिया ही है, craft में तो इनसे बड़ा कोई है ही नहीं. But my writers, both Abhishek and Ankur, have done such unbelievable work with me on this film. And I'm missing my DOP, who is a Japanese lady, Kiko Nakahara. She's not here. She called me from Japan and she said, I'm missing you so much. Please give my love to everybody. Because with the subject like that, it was very important to have the crew like that who will protect Tanvi from in the film.
The man leading all of them is Hatke, of course. तो ये तो होना ही था ना सर कमाल का. इस पूरी टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Of course, they are the people जिन्होंने ये जो अभी हमने बड़े पर्दे पे देखा उसको आप तक पहुंचाया है. And now, yeah, it's your turn. So where are we getting the first question from? पीछे से जी.
Hello. Hi, this is Akash Bhatnagar from Hindustan Times. Firstly, amazing trailer. Really hits you in the heart. Shubhangi, I had the privilege to ask you the first question of your first meet interaction. I'm happy I'm getting that chance again. So I really wanted to ask you that this is your first film, but you are also getting to represent a community that doesn't get that much representation on screen. So along with the pressure of being it your first film, does the pressure and the responsibility of giving an authentic representation to them that people...
मेरे बच्चे पहली फिल्म है बच्ची की पहली फिल्म में इतना खबर उसकी परफॉर्मेंस की तारीफ करो ये ऐसे सवाल जो है मेरे से भी मत पूछो प्यार से पूछो हमें आपकी इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में थोड़ा सोचना है इस समय अच्छा सा सवाल पूछो बेटा ऐसा मत करो मुझे डराओ मत इसको ये 6 महीने से
and respect your work. And I love the songs for this movie too. So I'm very curious to know that what was the brief given to you that you came up with such appropriate words for an autistic girl to sing?
Thank you, Bhavna ji. What was very interesting in this journey was actually the process. जैसे कीरवानी sir पहले बता रहे थे when he was before he performed that of course beautiful music is made now, but the process has kind of become mechanical, where the melody is made somewhere and then you either listen to the narration or you read the script और फिर आप लिखते हो जो भी है यहाँ पे. और ये पूरा टोन अनुपम सर ने सेट किया था. वो हम दोनों मिलके हैदराबाद जाते थे और वहाँ पे प्रॉपर सिटिंग्स होती थी जिसमें हम सिचुएशन के बारे में बात करते थे. वो हमें तन्वी के बारे में समझाते थे, वो कैरेक्टर के बारे में, ऑटिज़म के बारे में. और फिर कीरवानी सर कहते थे लंच में क्या खाओगे, वो बहुत ज़रूरी था और वो बहुत ही बढ़िया खाना बनवाते थे. सो आई थिंक दैट प्रोसेस वे यू आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द स्टोरी, इन द कैरेक्टर एंड एज ह्यूमन बींग्स हु आर गोइंग थ्रू अ क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस टुगेदर. That was the magic that I went through with this film, which is very rare nowadays. वो आपको WhatsApp पे धुन आ जाती है और आपके inbox में script आ जाती है. And I will always be grateful to both these wonderful gentlemen. And वो अनुपम sir अपना white shirt और jeans पहन के मुझसे आधे घंटे पहले airport पे मिल जाते थे मुझको. And that was wonderful, and I really miss that. And I think yes, it's the beauty of the process and of these wonderfully very creative but also very humane people that I think became what it became.
Yes, sir.
Gautam plays a very important role. Hi everyone. Thank you, sir. I'm Gautam Ahuja and I'm playing Jackie sir's son in the film. I'm playing Max. And I am really nervous right now. I'm sorry for that. I just want to say thank you so much, Anupam sir, for liking my audition, for getting me on board, and for always being there, more than a director, to be really honest, as a supporting force. Because I remember very vividly this one time what happened where there was something happening on set and it was taking a lot of time, and so I said, "Abhi jitna jaldi karna hai kar lo, main apne actors ko jaldi karne nahi bolunga." And that really stayed with me. And apart from that, Jackie sir, you have actually kind of played off my father even off set. Right now also outside you were there supporting me, pushing me ahead, telling me chupna mat. It means a lot to me. And Shubhangi, you have done a great job. And it's ek last cheese. Sir, it really means a lot to me to be standing here with all of you, and I will never forget this day. Thank you so much.
Okay, we're taking one last question from there. Ji.
हेलो सर, मैं दीपेश पांडे, दैनिक जागरण से. सर, सबसे पहले आपके ट्रेलर के लिए ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और बधाइयाँ. बहुत ही खूबसूरत ट्रेलर है. सबसे पहला सवाल आपसे ये रहेगा कि ओम जय जगदीश के बाद ये आपकी दूसरी डायरेक्टोरियल है, तो क्या शुरू से ही इरादा था कि इस फिल्म को आप ही डायरेक्ट करेंगे या फिर किसी और के पास भी लेके गए?
नहीं, मैं क्यों लेके जाऊंगा किसी और के पास. दैनिक जागरण से हो, जाग जाओ थोड़ा बेटा. नहीं, मैंने डायरेक्ट ही करना चाहता था. मैं ही बनाना चाहता था इसको, बिकॉज मैं जो मेरी तन्वी है उसी को देख के दिमाग में आइडिया आया था. और इसी जब आपकी पटरी ठीक चल रही होती है तो आप उसको हिलने नहीं देते हैं, मगर अगर ग्रो करना है तो आपको ऐसे चैलेंजेस लेने ही पड़ते हैं. वरना क्या है, मैं 70 साल का हूँ, अभी मुझे लगता है कि 20 साल और काम करूँगा तो मैं उसी ढर्रे पे चल सकता हूँ. बट आई लाइक टू टेक चैलेंजेस वेयर लाइफ मेक्स इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, एंड इट्स ओनली बिकॉज व्हेन यू मेक इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर योरसेल्फ दैट यू कैन कम अप विद समथिंग होपफुली एज ब्यूटीफुल एज दिस इज.
सेकंड क्वेश्चन मेरा पल्लवी मैम के लिए रहेगा. पल्लवी मैम, मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी तो आपने फिल्म के बारे में बताया था, काफ़ी इमोशनल फिल्म है और आपके लिए कई सीन्स ऐसे रहे जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल कर देने वाले रहे. बट मैं ऑन द सेट ऐसे मोमेंट जानना चाहूँगा जो आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इमोशनल रहे.
इस फिल्म में वैसे देखा, नमस्ते एवरीवन. मुझे बहुत देर के बाद बोलने का मौका मिला है. एंड थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग मी द क्वेश्चन. एक्चुअली सारे सीन इस फिल्म में, जहाँ तक मेरे सीन है वो सब इमोशनली थे। और जब अनुपम जी ने मुझे स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई थी सबसे पहले, तो आई लव द कैरेक्टर। पर सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा मुझे आता था सेट पे, बिकॉज आई थिंक बिटवीन द टू ऑफ अस हम लोग शूटिंग कम और वर्कशॉप ज़्यादा चलाते थे वहाँ पे। सो आफ्टर एवरी शॉट अनुपम जी वुड कम एंड ही वुड से कि थोड़ा इसको अलग ढंग से कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा इस तरह से कर लेते हैं। सो आई थिंक वी वेंट थ्रू एवरी सीन you know, with a lot of interpretations, and that was, I think, the most brilliant thing that an actor can ask for, you know.
पल्लवी, आपको तो फिर भी मैं ऐसा बोलता, जब मैं कृति को ऐसा बोलता था ना, मैं डांस नहीं कर सकता बिल्कुल भी। तो कृति पूरा तैयार करके आती थी, मैं उसको बोलता था नहीं इसको थोड़ा सा स्टेप चेंज कर लें, तो एक दिन बोलती दिखाओ कैसे। I think we should, but I want to also say my team from Excel and my team, digital team, and my PR team and my marketing team. I don't know where is Varun. Varun needs to be on stage. They have worked. Some of them have come late on this, Nilima, and but they have gotten into it. Varun has been with us from the beginning, from the reading point of view. उन्होंने मुझे लगता है कि मुझको ऐसा महसूस नहीं कराया, विशाल थैंक यू ऑल्सो फॉर दैट, व्हेनेवर वी हैव स्पोकन टू ईच अदर, ऐसा महसूस नहीं कराया कि मैं किसी बिजनेस एसोसिएट से बात कर रहा हूँ। उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा महसूस कराया कि वन ह्यूमन बीइंग इज टॉकिंग टू अनदर ह्यूमन बीइंग हुज हार्ट बीट्स, एंड हार्ट बीट्स फॉर समथिंग सो ब्यूटिफुल। आनंद, तेरा रोल छोटा सा था, मेरा तू यू केम ऑल द वे टू दैट प्लेस and you were so wonderful. I had to cut your role. There was one scene, but I promised you outside that you will get a bigger role in my film. But thank you for coming all the way just to do that one scene. You were so wonderful. This is what Anand was my roommate. You see, also I've collected people who were my roommate. My mother is here. Mother says, "अच्छा मैं बोलूँ कुछ?" मैंने कहा नहीं, कहती मैं नहीं कुछ बोलूँगी फिर नज़र लग जाएगी। So Raju, thank you, and everybody thank you. I can feel मेरे योगेश जी यहाँ पर हैं। योगेश जी आप मंच पे क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं? आप तो खुद ही आ जाते हैं, मगर आप आइए ना प्लीज। योगेश जी के लिए तालियां हमारी यहाँ पर।
राइट आउटडोर से योगेश लखानी साहब, ऑफ कोर्स
योगेश लखानी जी, तो इनके बगैर कुछ नहीं होता हमारी इंडस्ट्री में। ही इज सो वंडरफुल। मैंने तो इनके बायोपिक के राइट्स भी ले लिए हैं, बिकॉज इट विल बी द मोस्ट अमेजिंग स्टोरी ऑफ हिम, द ग्रोथ ऑफ दिस गाय। You see, we look at him and we laugh, sometimes we smile because that's his persona. But I think the growth of this man from where he started and where he has reached is really inspirational. Thank you. And thank you everybody. Thank you Bhavna, thank you Komal, my old friends. And spread the word. That is what is important.
अनुपम sir, I'm so sorry to interrupt. बस एक वहाँ से सवाल, अनिक रियाज साहब, ये दो सवाल हैं बस।
Of course.
अनुपम जी नमस्ते।
नमस्ते मैम।
And I will congratulate और बहुत सारी बधाई भी दूँ। और मुझे इस बात की खुशी भी है कि ये ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा लगा, और हर मोमेंट इट मेड मी माई आईज फुल ऑफ टीयर्स। एक बात इस मौके पे कहना चाहूँगी, मेरा अपना ग्रैंडसन, ही इज़ 3.5 years old नाउ, जब वो 1 साल का पूरा हो गया तब भी कोई वर्ड बोल नहीं रहा था। इन अ पीरियड ऑफ सर्टन टाइम वी अप्रोच द डॉक्टर्स, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, and they said ki there could be chances that he is autistic. Fortunately, he has only mild spectrum of autism, not full autism. But मैं दावे के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि इस फिल्म ने मुझे बड़ी प्रेरणा दी है, अच्छा लगा। और आई एम श्योर कि दिस फिल्म विल बी मोटिवेट द एंटायर पीपल whose kids or their closer relatives they has this स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ ऑटिज्म। किरवानी साहब, आपको मैं बधाई देना चाहती हूँ। कैन यू से सम मोर डिटेल्स what were the challenges to compose the music of this film? And my question to Pallavi as well, can you share some more memories and some more facts on your visit to Cannes?
नमस्ते जी, ये कहना चाहता हूँ that to bring a story about a girl who cannot manipulate in her world to this level, from story writing to this release level, it needs a lot of manipulations. That's what we did. We did a lot of manipulations, me and Anupamji. It has to be like that because it's a world of perspectives. We walked in Tanvi's shoes. That's how we did it. But in the process, we have to be ourselves, and it requires a lot of manipulation. You know how the world operates. It's a big story I want to share after the release of the movie. Thank you very much.
I want to tell you a small story. Sorry, पहले आप जवाब दीजिए. नहीं आप बताइए कांस का एक्सपीरियंस हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. कांस गए थे हम.
तो कांस का एक्सपीरियंस हमारा बहुत अच्छा रहा बिकॉज सब लोग साथ थे. तो एक तो जो शूटिंग के वक्त माहौल था वो उससे ज़्यादा रिलैक्स था क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट याद नहीं करनी थी, लाइनें बोलने नहीं थी. तो इसलिए वी वर ऑल एंड वी ऑल्सो न्यू दैट वी हैव अ गुड फिल्म ऑन हैंड ऑल्दो वी हैडंट सीन द फिल्म क्योंकि अनुपम जी ने हम में से किसी को फिल्म दिखाई नहीं थी. सो देयर वाज दैट सेंस ऑफ थोड़ा सा कि क्या होने वाला है, कैसी लगेगी फिल्म. बट व्हेन वी सॉ इट दैट डे एट कांस व्हेन इट प्रीमियर्ड, तो एक इमोशन जो हम सबका मेरे ख्याल से आपस में हमने शेयर किया वो ये था कि पूरी फिल्म में हम रो रहे थे लेकिन पूरी फिल्म में हमारे चेहरे पर एक स्माइल भी थी. And we were laughing, we were smiling, and we were crying at the same time. And these two emotions, to capture them together in one frame, I think as a director, it's hats off to Anupam ji for making that happen, not just in one or two scenes, but throughout the film. So I think what Jagudas said, he said a very good word. He said the film is soul cleansing. And I think that's exactly what it is. You said it so well.
I'll just share आपके बात से मुझे एक बात बताना चाहता था कि मैं हमेशा से कीको नाकाहारा को अपनी डीओपी लेना चाहता था. तो शूटिंग से 7-8 महीने पहले मैंने उनको फ़ोन किया. उन्होंने कहा मिस्टर खेर आई एम बिज़ी बिकॉज आई एम इन जापान एंड आई कैन नॉट शूट. फिर मैंने कोशिश की, फिर मैंने उनको जब शूटिंग नज़दीक आने लगी फिर मैंने कहा यार नहीं मैं फ़ोन करता हूँ, फिर देखता हूँ. तो 3 मिस्ड कॉल मैंने एक ही दिन में उनको दी. फिर उनका 3-4 घंटे बाद उनका फ़ोन आया. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ओ मिस्टर का यू आर वेरी परसिस्टेंट, बोलिए व्हाट इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ द फिल्म. सो आई सेड इट्स द स्टोरी ऑफ ए गर्ल हु शोज ऑटिज्म एज अ सुपर पावर. शी सेड आई एम डूइंग योर फिल्म. पूरी कहानी नहीं सुनी. तो फिर वो आ गई. फिर जब हम लोकेशन हंटिंग कर रहे थे तो एक दिन मैंने उससे पूछा कि केको व्हाई डिड यू सॉर्ट ऑफ. शी सेड लेट मी टेल यू अ स्टोरी. शी सेड व्हेन यू फर्स्ट called me up, I was 9 months pregnant. So I couldn't have done the film. When you later called me up, my son was 3 months old and my sister said, he's not looking at you while you are doing hello, hello, beta. So I had gone to the doctor and doctor said that he has autistic spectrum. And when I came home, there were 3 missed calls from you. And you said, this is the story. I thought there was hope for my son and I'm wanting to do this film. ऐसे बहुत सारे इस फिल्म में किस्से जुड़े हैं, बहुत सारे लोग जो हमको मिले हैं. इन्होंने जो जादू किया, ये जो आदमी यहाँ बैठा है जो चुपचाप इन्होंने जब साउंड मिक्स करते थे तो फिर ये मुझे बोलते थे फ़ोन करके या मैसेज. ये भी ही इज़ ऑल्सो अ मैन ऑफ फ्यू वर्ड्स. Okay, nice, fine, etc. But one day he called me, he said that interview scene, there's a scene, he really made me cry. Would you like to say something? Not about the scene, but...
No, the general impression that everybody is giving about the film is very melancholic. I think it started with Keeravani. Your singing has made the whole thing very melancholic start and everybody's like dwelling on it. I would say the film is not melancholic. The film is not about disability. The film is about celebration of life. It's a very, very uplifting film. I think that's what we need to put it out. And in every boardrooms when we sit and talk, what is happening in Hindi films, what kind of films are working, what kind of films are not working. I think what moved away from Hindi cinema in the last 10 years is that directors who believe in their subject and directors who's passionate about making what they're believing in, finding the resources to do it, finding the people to assemble and stand by them. I think Tanvi the Great is a film like that, and that's what the need of the hour as a film enthusiast and a filmmaker and a person who has been working in the industry for the last more than 25 years. I feel this film is going to be a turning point for Hindi cinema because here is a film that the director totally believed in, and no corporate said Excel sheets are not working, and these numbers are not working. These people don't make any sense. These people can't bring in enough money, bring people to the theater. But eventually, what comes, people come to theater is for the film, for the story, and what moves them, what stays them, glued them to the seats. That's what this man has done. And hats off to you, sir. And he did one more thing. From Magdira to Bahubali, we missed working each other, and he made it happen for me. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
खेर साहब
अब आप सोचेंगे इस फिल्म में हाँ
खेर साहब
हाँ जी
दो चीजें
हाँ जी सर
I would like to remind you and everybody sitting here that your interest towards the subject was seen 20 years back when you used to visit Dilkhush School.
Yes.
And used to work with the kids with this Down syndrome and autistic kids.
Yeah.
You were working with them for nearly more than 2 to 3 years.
Yeah, I used to teach
You
them.
used to go then early morning. You used to be with them till the evening. And this entire idea, I'm sure, must have been developed that time. Because ये अभी की बात नहीं है, ये 20-25 साल पहले से आपका interest इस subject में रहा है.
जी.
And you as a human being and a person was always towards people who were from the weaker section and some people who needed something. Secondly, the reason why this film is also going to be a very big hit.
Thank
As
you.
a technician, I would like to tell you that आज तक हमने किसी भी film के trailer launch पे या premieres में या press conference में पूरी technicians के साथ team को हमने देखा नहीं आज तक. This is the first time we are seeing the entire team, the writers, the music directors, the composers, the singers, the editors, the choreographers together talking about the film. And this teamwork is going to make a film one of the biggest success of the year.
Thank
Take
you.
it from me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you, Ashok ji. I'll end up with two people have to speak. One is telling me silently not to ask me anything. That's Kruti. And one आप सोच रहे होंगे कि इस फिल्म में रॉड का क्या काम है? हैं? सर आपने क्या किया इस फिल्म में?
मैंने बहुत कुछ किया है. It's a very great experience working with Akhil sir. I met him on Vijay 69. I used to work as a stuntman. I saw him a lot of time. But हमारा कभी ऐसा आपस में इतनी बातचीत नहीं हुई थी. When I was action director for Vijay 69, there was few shots which I designed for him. Then he told me he's doing a film. So I told sir, you call me anytime, I'll come to work. And जो रसूल सर ने एक बात बोली थी, बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी कि मैं भी उनसे बहुत स्लम डॉग मिलियनर के बाद मिल रहा हूँ. So we worked with him so many years after I'm. So खेर साहब ने मुझे एक चीज़ अच्छा लगा था कि उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट के हिसाब से काम करने बोला था. उन्होंने कभी मुझे ये नहीं बोला था मुझे इस फिल्म का रेफरेंस के हिसाब से काम करना है. मेरी फिल्म में मुझे ऐसा चाहिए. That makes something like a creator, as a director who believes himself, not looking to others people work and saying, even मैं इसकी जैसे बनाऊं film. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. अंकुर क्या या नहीं आप हाँ अंकुर ये लिखते हैं.
Hello everyone. Anupam sir, I just love you. And I do not think of all the directors that I've worked with, on all the sets that I've been on, only on this set did I feel conviction. Did I feel that there is a process to creation and something that belief system कैसे काम करता है, religion कैसे काम करता है, लेकिन उस belief system से ये create करना, I've not seen on any other set, and I've been on a few sets. And Tanvi के narration के time पे sir had called me, and there were only tears, and it's not melancholic, but in a genuinely very, we forget to get inspired these days, and I think films are not inspirational anymore, but this story was so inspirational that as a human being, I wanted to just be on this set and just get completely inspired. I didn't know that there was such beautiful people on this set, and every day was just a process of inspiration, of getting just moved by people, by emotions, by moments. And I think the the most amazing part of this film is Shubhangi. I think she was blessed, but she also poured her heart out to everybody and everything that was around her. And I've also been a part of montages, but this film has given me so much more as a technician than I have given to the film. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That's on. हमारे जो colorist हैं, जो DIG के हैं, Andy, he is from Germany, and I want you to say.
He always makes me talk, and I'm so shy. I've done so many films worldwide, but this film is so special. When I heard the story first, I mean, I always try to understand the story because I have to make the texture. And the texture means I saw the story, I saw the offline, I heard the story. It was so emotional that this is a Hollywood film. It has to look like a Hollywood film. There's a little bit of Disney in there, there's realism in there. So we created something, and I think it just came out beautiful.
Well, thank you so much.
My two people who have to say thank you is Pranit and Ishan, who have been day and night working. I don't know where they are, but thank you, Pranit, thank you, Ishan, who have been working 24 hours. Thank you, and Actor Prepares, thank you for giving me Herman. Thank you for Shubhangi from Actor Prepares. Thank you, Joshua, for your brilliant VFX. Thank you, everybody, for amazing. Thank you for my association. Thank you for editing the first. Chaitanya, you want to say something? Yes, my friend.
Thank you. Yeah, we'll just.
शांत हो जा. अरे यार क्या होता है? अरे यार कहीं और जाना है? और कोई इवेंट है? रुक जा. हमने 4 साल लगाए इस फिल्म में. तू एक आधा घंटा और रुक जा.
I know Anupam ji since Saransh, and I know his dedication and 500% involvement. सबसे बड़ी बात है, you already have 2 Oscar award winning.
आपको क्यों लगता है मैं बीच में खड़ा हूँ इनके यहाँ पे? हर फोटो में ऐसा चाहिए मुझे. नहीं ये है बीच में.
जगू दादा hi. Your trailer is Oscar award worthy. I can say this.
अरे वाह.
Because and I just want you to share, since Arvind Swamy is not here, can you just share 2 lines on what is his character? Because it's
So Arvind Swamy trains Shubhangi Tanvi to join the army because Arvind Swamy was with her father. Also Ian Glenn, who was from Game of Thrones, he plays the person who is conducting a very 9-month workshop in America. So that's it, brothers and sisters, and thank you, my friends. आपका काम मैं तो नहीं कर रहा ना.
Sir, अब तो हो गया. I'm loving it. आज outstanding performance दिया मैंने. नहीं, all I want to say is thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being so amazing. मतलब press conference में इतना कमाल का conversation मुझे नहीं लगता अभी हाल फिलहाल कभी हमने ऐसा देखा होगा. इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Thank you so much. 18 July is when we'll get to see all of you watching this movie in theaters. Ashok sir, thank you so much. वो extra तालियों के लिए. That's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Anupam sir, thank you so much.
My line producers also, Shastri ji, thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, Jackie sir. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll do a quick one with the cast. Yeah, thank you. Anil sir, Mr. Thadani, Anupam sir would want you on stage. Bhavna ma'am, thank you so much for being here. Akash, thank you for the first question. Yeah. MM Cream Saab, sir. Pallavi. We would want to do the honors. Shreyas? Yeah. Shivangi, don't go.